screencast, we are going to get started setting up the Jackrabbit class ActionRabbit plugin. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to head on over to Jackrabbit class in our WordPress left-hand vertical navigation. We're going to click Jackrabbit class. And we're going to be brought to the intro Jackrabbit class screen. And what we are going to do is we're going to add our organization ID from Jackrabbit class in here. We are able to find our organization ID by just going to our parent portal. And so for this particular example, we're going to use the Premier Aquatics organization ID. We can see up in the URL here at the very end, there's something that says org ID, and then there's a number. We're going to copy this number and head back over to WordPress. We're going to drop it in here next to where it says org ID. So I just pasted that there, and we will click sync classes. And during this process, we are going to go pull all the classes from that are currently available and active from Jackrabbit class into WordPress in ActionRabbit. So we click sync classes. We got a couple notifications here, and we can see that we have pulled in some information. We have some locations, instructors, and a variety of different categories. So that's the very first step. Next, we are going to talk about configuring the different options.